Its Department of Public Health has responded to the breaking news from this morning regarding the Johnson & Johnson vaccine from the FDA and the CDC.
Fox 1's Margot Farrell is joining us now with more information here in the studio. Margot?
And this information just keeps changing by the minute. Good morning, Tim and Erica. Good morning to everybody at home. The Connecticut Department of Public Health, they made the announcement this morning saying the CDC and the FDA are both recommending that all states pause administering the vaccine after reports of 6 women between the ages of 18 and 48 who had extremely rare adverse reactions. Johnson & Johnson releasing a statement saying in part, the safety and well-being of the people who use our products is our #1 priority. We are aware of an extremely rare disorder involving people with blood clots in combination with low platelets in a small number of individuals. Those who have received our COVID-19 vaccine. In addition, we have been reviewing these cases with European health authorities. We have made the decision to proactively delay the rollout of our vaccine in Europe. So it's important to note, again, that none of these cases, they involved anybody here specifically in our state. We have distributed roughly 100,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine in Connecticut with no reported serious side effects. Also keep in mind that worldwide, 6.8 million people have received this vaccine. And again, we're talking about 6 people total who've developed these symptoms. They include a severe rare type of blood clot, and it's a little convoluted here. It's called cerebral venous sinus thrombosis, also known as CVS. It's typical to have these symptoms occur within the first few weeks of receiving the shot. So I was chatting with Tim just a moment ago. Particularly interesting, if you have received the J&J vaccine, and let's say it was a month ago, 6 weeks ago, you're in the clear at this point. At this time, DPH is encouraging vaccination sites to hold off on using J&J and using other shots. This will, of course, impact appointments and clinics. So take a look here. These are some of the vaccination clinics that will not be distributing the vaccine today, at least the Johnson & Johnson one. We've heard from Bridgeport, Hartford Healthcare, the FEMA mobile unit, the Griffin vans. Those all put on pause today. Again, that list is going to be growing. However, we've also just learned that New York will be replacing Johnson & Johnson's vaccines with the Pfizer vaccine, those who had appointments scheduled for today. We're learning additionally that clinics here in Connecticut will be looking to potentially offer Moderna or Pfizer vaccines in the meantime. It'll just come down to availability for those and when we'll be able to get them. We did also just get an announcement from the White House saying, quote, this announcement will not have a significant impact on our vaccination plan. Johnson & Johnson vaccine makes up less than 5% of the recorded shots in the arms in the United States to date. Again, though it is rare, if you develop these severe symptoms like an intense headache, abdominal pain, leg pain, shortness of breath, within 3 weeks of that shot, you should contact your primary care physician. I believe we do have the press conference happening live right now. Let's take a listen.